Welcome to this comprehensive review of HashMart, one of the most reliable and efficient cloud mining platforms in the cryptocurrency space. In this video, we will provide an in-depth look at HashMart, exploring its features, user interface, pricing structure, and performance in the fast-paced world of crypto mining. HashMart offers a user-friendly approach to cloud mining, catering to individuals who want to mine Bitcoin without investing in expensive hardware or managing complex setups. The platform allows users to choose mining contracts tailored to their budget and goals. Once you sign up and select a contract, HashMart handles all the technical aspects, from hardware maintenance to electricity costs. This streamlined process is perfect for beginners or those seeking a hand-free mining experience. One of HashMart's standout features is its transparency. Users can monitor their mining progress in real time through an intuitive dashboard. HashMart provides detailed statistics on your mining performance, giving you full control and insights into your earnings. Additionally, the platform employs advanced security measures to safeguard your account and assets. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. HashMart also boasts competitive pricing, making it a viable option for both small-scale and large-scale miners. Their contracts are designed to maximize profitability while minimizing risk. Moreover, their support team is available to assist with any questions, ensuring a seamless user experience. HashMart's compatibility with various payment methods, including cryptocurrency payments, adds flexibility to the platform. It eliminates the barriers that traditional mining setups might impose, such as geographic restrictions or high entry costs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your crypto portfolio, HashMart provides the tools and infrastructure to achieve your mining goals. Dive into the world of Bitcoin mining with confidence and convenience through this powerful platform. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into crypto mining and the latest in blockchain technology.